When you install the air intake silencer, you must make sure this groove is inserted completely into the air silencer lower half. Squeeze the two hose ears together and pull them up through the air silencer lower half until the groove is engaged. Install the two bolts. Install the deflector onto the air intake tube by hooking the two tabs and swinging the deflector over the air intake tube. Pull the strap over the hook. Remove the oil fill cap. Starting with the deflector end, gently install the air intake tube assembly into the hull. Position the intake tube seal into the silencer. Secure the rubber strap near the deflector. Reinstall the oil cap. Secure the two rubber straps inside the air silencer. Firmly seat the tube into the supercharger hose. Install the air silencer cover and snap the clips into place. Finally, reattach the breather hose.